So that's my new friend, guys. That's my new friend. I'm excited for you, Zar. I'm excited. Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. On this channel, we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup, sprinkled with a bit of fashion. And some in-betweens. If this sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and share with a friend. Please remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss an upload. I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, good morning, happy Friday. I hope you're all doing well. I haven't seen you guys in about a week. I've been so busy. As you guys, some of you may know that I have to go to Antigua for a funeral, which is this weekend. I'm going this weekend. It's not a, happy occasion, but while I'm there, I'm going to try to see if I can, capture, maybe not the funeral, but like my trip there, going and when we're there and such. So I've been busy, trying to get some last minute things that I need, making sure my boys have what they need, and such for the funeral. So I've been coming home and doing stuff, packing up my luggage. Like if you could see behind here, I have my suitcase. It's ready, it's packed. I just have to organize it. But since I'm going to do that, right, I'm gonna try to, record some stuff for you. There's something that I've been wanting to get for a long time. But I was like, oh, let me wait. But I finally got it, guys. And it's this. I waited so that I can unpack it with you guys. I haven't opened the box. I've had it for about a week now. Probably 2 weeks now. But I've been so busy. It's the Dji Osmo Pocket 3. These cameras, you probably have been seeing them all over the internet. All of the YouTubers and vloggers use them because it's so tiny. So I was like, I think I'm going to try to get into vlogging a little bit, so. Alrighty, guys. So, I said, I wanted to treat myself to this. I did purchase mine from Amazon. This, I've seen videos. It's amazing. It follows you around. You don't have to be adjust it and turn it. It moves when you move. So I was like, you know what? This looks like fun. So it comes in this box. As I said, I got mine from Amazon. They have a creator's kit where you can get the kit with the tripod and all of that stuff and a bag. But I have plenty of tripod, so I don't really need it. So I just got the camera and it was $460 something. I'll link it down for you guys. So it comes in the thing. So let's take it out the bag. Like I said, I waited so that my reaction could be true. So it comes in a little plastic here, right? Just to make sure, let me make sure that you could see the box. All right, that's how the camera looks. So little unboxing. Oh, all right, so this is a camera. It comes in a little silicone case, right? This is the camera, guys. Look how tiny it is. Ooh, it has some instructions on the back. I don't know how to use it as yet, but my friend sent me over a little video that she watched so I can figure it out. I have today to figure it out. All right, so that's my new little friend. Isn't she cute? She looks like a little tiny little robot. So I can't wait to see what I can record. Maybe I can record some cooking videos, which I really want to do. Take you guys when I go to the store. So this is a case that it comes in. It just fits right in there. So you can just put it over this and just pop it in your purse. Right, you just want to make sure that you cover up the screen. So you just push this inside here. Let me make sure I'm doing it right, y'all, because we don't want to break it. Yeah, that just covers. You just want to make sure you cover the screen up properly. I didn't do it good, but that's how you basically do it. So I did get a SD card separate. SD card is a little pricey. It's like one something, but I have it with 2 is it megabyte or terabyte? One of those bytes, child. And that's a lot of storage. My friend Nana told me that's the one I need to get. So that's my new friend, guys. And pray for me, y'all, because we don't like flying, okay? We don't like flying. It's a 3.5-hour flight, but I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna try to bring some books and some stuff, some puzzles to keep me occupied. And I'm also going to try to sleep because I have not been getting that much sleep. Like when I tell you guys I don't like flying, like just thinking about it, I'm getting like butterflies in my stomach, and I'm not even on the plane yet. But we're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. Keep us in your thoughts and your prayers, and everything will be fine. So that's my new friend, guys. That's my new friend. I'm excited for you, Zar. I'm excited. Yes, child. That's my new. You see how it's moving? Like, it's just moving right there. So I have to charge it and stuff touch. What else comes in the box? There has to be some other stuff in the box. Sorry, guys. I got a little excited. So there's another box here. And I'm sure, what's this? Oh, we have like a little a cord here. We'll figure out what it's for. This is like a charging cord. And this, let me show you. Everything is like so nicely packed. It should be, right? Like I said, guys, this is just a quick video in real time, right? We're not gonna chop up anything. So this is to plug into the bottom here, right? I think you charge this. You charge this and then you put it in here. Well, we're gonna watch the video and we're gonna figure it out. And when I do, you guys will see what I record. But isn't it cute? You can just drop it in your purse. It's so tiny. You don't even need a big bag. So that's my new friend. This is the, I don't want to take it off yet, but that's the screen. And the screen, you can turn it this way, right? It's actually coming on. Oh, okay. I guess it comes on once you take off the plastic. You can turn it this way, portrait, or no, that's portrait and the other one is landscape. So we're ready, guys. We're gonna put this back on there until we get to work, and we're gonna figure it out. So guys, that's my little friend. I'm excited to use it, and you will see more. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Have a good weekend. I'm going to try to see if I can film, while I'm there, my trip to the airport and such. And when I get there, to show you guys around. There's so many beaches there, guys. It's a beautiful place. I get to see my hubby and my other family. All right, guys, and have a great weekend. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, y'all. Just like that, guys, that was my little show and tell. I'm excited, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. All right, let me know if you want me to do some cooking videos. Let me know if you want to see what I do in my regular day life. I don't do a lot, but I do something someone will like to see. Let me know if that's something that you'll be interested in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss an upload. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.